welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today, gagawa tayo ng Oasis-inspired makeup look. We are going to play with colors for today, and dahil Oasis yung tawag because we're going to play with the color blue. Konti lang ang mga nakikita ko makeup tutorial na blue. And if you want to do a blue eye look, this is the perfect tutorial for you. So if you guys want to know how I'm going to do a Oasis-inspired makeup look, please keep on watching. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, yung palette po na gagamitin ko for this makeup look is the Nika K23 eyeshadow palette. Actually, this is my only colorful palette. But you know what? It's okay because sobrang dami niyang kulay na makikita. These retails for only 400 pesos for 23 colors. Great, diba? But this is not sponsored by Nika K, but it is a great brand. I really like the formula for it. So let's start with the makeup tutorial itself. So nakapag-prime na ako ng eyes, may concealer na yan, and meron na rin po yung powder. So we're gonna jump into the tutorial itself. So we're going to take this shade, fluffy brush, and ang gusto natin gawin, ilalagay natin ito sa crease. This is, kung makita nyo sa pan guys, hindi siya, ganun siya ka-dark, pero to be honest, pag napunta na siya sa mata, ayan lang siya. Hindi siya ganun pigmented. And if you guys want to know what are my thoughts about this palette, I will link in the description box or in the card above you yung first impression ko dito. Actually, I made that 1 year ago. I'm not sure. Pero yun, I was starting out with YouTube back then. So, yeah. Kung pangit yung quality ng video na yun, I'm very sorry for that. Guys, wind wiper motion lang siya. Huwag nyo i-concentrate yung kulay sa outer part of your eye or the inner part. Basta wind wiper motion. There we go. So next, we're gonna go a color deeper than that. And with the same brush, we are going to do the same exact motion. Wind wiper, not concentrating the color anywhere else. Now, we are done with our base color. It's just going to have a very brown color. Para lang magkaroon tayo ng crease color. Now, we're going to go to the colorful part of this tutorial. Ngayon, meron na tayong brown color. We want to get one of these two oranges. Just mix it together. Tap off the excess and tuck it in the brown color din. Ihalo nyo siya dun sa brown nyo, guys. Para magkaroon ng tint ng brown ang ating... Magkaroon ng tint ng orange ang ating brown. Ayun. And don't forget you guys to prime your eyelids first before doing this because nagsistain po sa mata ang color red or kahit anong color na reddish tone sa mata. Para sa mga hooded po yung eyes, gawin po natin ay, wow, ang gawin natin is medyo i-flat natin ang ating brush habang nagme-makeup kasi it will tataas po yung kulay sa ating crease. Hindi lang dapat sa crease, dapat mas mataas para makita naman siya, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda ng makeup look, hindi naman makikita. Next is kukuha na naman tayo ng isa pang shade and we're going to go a little bit deeper here. We're going to get it with a fluffy brush. Ito. Fluffy brush. So, yan. Hindi to ganun ka-pigmented you guys, but always tap off the excess. Again, wind wiper motion. This is going to be an cut crease. Kung hindi nyo po alam, cut crease po ang ating gagawin para maipatong natin ang blue. Natapos na ang ating crease color. Gagawa ko, wala ko na concealer. Concealer nyo guys, kahit hindi siya full coverage, okay lang siya. Kahit wala siyang coverage actually, ang gusto lang po natin mangyari is magkaroon lang tayo ng base or sticky base para ilagay ang ating... Ang ginagawa ko palagi is nilaglalagay ako ng dot sa gitna ng ating mata or yung sa ano. And then titingin ako sa pinakataas. And pag binaba natin yung mata natin, makita natin kung hanggang saan dapat natin ilalagay ang concealer. So, ganun palagi yung trick ko, guys, pag nagka-cut crease. It's easier that way. And parang meron kang guide. Ang gagawin natin is semi-cut crease na lang pala, guys. Kasi ayaw kong ma-overpower ng blue ito. hanggang dito sa pinakaloob. Lalagyan natin. At sa dulo na guys, i-penetrate natin siya, i-pat ng konting-konti lang para mag-mix naman siya dun sa color sa labas. So now guys, tapos na yung paglalatag ko ng color. Alam ko na rin kung saan ko ilalagay yung pinaka-blue. Kukuha tayo ng shader brush and kukunin ko not the darkest blue, this blue over here. Kung mapapansin nyo yung layout ng palette you guys, it's from lightest to darkest. So, dito yung, huwag natin kunin yung darkest blue, ito. Yan. And if you guys want, kahit ito pa, mas okay pa nga to. Paghaluin natin tong dalawa, top of the excess, and pat. Ipapat nyo lang siya kung nasa ng concealer. Hindi to shimmer, kaya ginagamitan ko siya ng brush. So, as you guys can see, nakita natin yung blue, nakita natin yung pink. Ngayon, parang kukulang yung pagka-intensify dun sa dulo ng mata natin, no? Gusto natin gumamit ng ganitong klase ng brush. Small siya, medyo packed din siya. And kukuha tayo ng purple color. O, diba? Ang colorful ng makeup natin for today. So, kukunin ko tong color na to, which is the purple one. Top of the excess, i-swirl ko siya dito. Ang gusto nating motion is ipabilog. Ayan. Para lang mag-intensify yung dulo ng mata natin. But, hindi pa rin mawawala ang pagka-pinkish niya. Yung pink pala guys, kaya ako tinawag na Oasis to, is nagsisignify siya ng sunset. Sunset sa mata. I change pala into using this color kasi medyo hindi lumalabas yung pagka-purple nun. Okay. And what you want to do guys is i-mend nyo dito sa gitna. Parang i-mix nyo. I know hindi din siya ganun ka-mixable, pero ayaw din naman natin may harsh line. So, i-mix natin siya. Ayan. So, you guys, now, ang gagawin natin, babalik tayo dun sa transition shade para makuha natin yung color sa crease ulit. So, haluin ko lang tong dalawa. Top of the excess, and then ilalagay lang siya sa crease. So, yan guys. So, at this point, gusto natin lagyan siya ng eyeliner. But, unfortunately, you guys, wala po akong eyeliner. I'm very, very sorry. Kung gusto niyo siya lagyan ng eyeliner, the best. But, because wala ako, babawi po tayo sa lashes. So, what we're going to do is we're going to curl. Sa lower lashes pala muna tayo, guys. So, sa lower lashes, ang gagawin ko lang is lalagyan ko lang siya ng brown. Gusto natin yung intensity ng color yun sa taas lang. So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng brown na eyeshadow color. And parang ita-tightline lang natin siya dito. So, there we go, you guys. Magka-curl na ako na lashes and use mascara. So, guys, if you guys are asking pala what I used on my eyes, it will be in the description box or nasa screen naman siya. So, I'm going to use the Everbelena Power Curl Volume Curl Mascara. And actually, guys, last video ko, last week, is gumawa ako ng product disappointment. And nasabi ko doon, meron ako Everbelena product na hindi ko nagustuhan, which is yung Lash Define. Ito guys, ito yung pwede nyo gamitin kung ito yung marirecommend ko instead of that. It's still from Everbelena, but sobrang bango niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-watery. Hindi rin siya ganun ka-dry, which is very good. Huwag din mo kayo ma-intimidate sa laki ng brush. Siguro yung iba mahihirapan gamitin to because ang laki naman din talaga ng bristles. But I promise you guys, maganda yung nagagawa niya sa lashes. Yun, tapos na ako mag-mascara. To be honest guys, pwede nyo to gamitan ng kahit anong false lashes because it is still your preference. But for me, mas gusto ko siyang bare. Kasi nakikita ko yung lashes ko, nakikita pa din yung kulay ng mata ko. And Yon! So, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. And see you guys in my next video! Yon! 2 makeup looks tayo this week. 1 neutral and 1 very colorful eye makeup look. So, yun, next week pala guys, we have 3 videos as well. So, yun guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye!